Hi everyone, this is the video number 6 of our ethical hacking using Kali Linux video series, and in this video we will talk about the basic file system in Kali Linux. So let's get started. So our first file system is bean. It stores the basic program of Kali Linux like ls command, cd command. Basically, bean is a directory which store basic commands of terminal. Here you can see this is win directory, and in this directory you will get lot of installed and pre-installed commands of terminal. Then sbean. Sbean stores the system programs which is helpful for our system. Then etc. It stores the configuration files. Whenever you install any software or tool on your Kali machine, then their settings and configuration files are saved in the etc directory. Temp. It stores the temporary files who only exist for a short time. Then our next file system is Userwin. It stores all the installed and pre-installed application on your machine are saved in this directory. Then user share. It stores the application support and data files. Then home directory. Home directory stores the personal directory of users. Means in home directory you will get user accounts and their data. Then root directory. Root is the personal directory of admin. Means all data of admin stores in root directory.